Hey guys, check out how I made my white and bittersweet chocolate ganache. Let's get to it.
Let's make our white chocolate ganache. Alright, to make our chocolate ganache, we will boil a quart of water. Let's pour 1 quart of water. Oops! I'm making a mess. We will set the heat to medium-high.
Let's bring this to a boil, and when it does, we will set the heat to medium. Let's place a heat-resistant bowl or glassware.
We will add 1 cup of heavy cream. We will allow the steam to scald the heavy cream. Let's allow the heavy cream to simmer
until it reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit. Then,
we will add our white chocolate chips. Oops! There's more. Let's allow that to sit
for 5 to 10 minutes
or until the chocolate chips melt. Let's stir it.
The cocoa powder content in white chocolate chips is less. Therefore, it takes longer to melt. The key is allowing it to sit over medium heat until you see the chips melting and blending with the cream.
The chocolate's completely melted.
Let's go ahead and allow this to cool down. I will be using this for filling, so I'm mixing 1:1 ratio to achieve a thin consistency.
Okay, so for our bittersweet chocolate ganache, we will use 32 ounces of bittersweet chocolate chips. We are going to scald or heat up 3 cups of heavy cream.
We are mixing 3:3 ratio for a thick cake drips.
We will set the heat to medium. When the heavy cream starts to simmer,
let's stir it to prevent milk film to form. When the temperature reaches 110 degrees Fahrenheit, we will remove it from heat.
And let's pour this to a bowl of chocolate chips.
Let's slowly pour it and allow the chocolate chips to melt and blend with the heavy cream.
We will add a hint of vanilla extract. Then we will allow that to sit
for 5 to 8 minutes.
Okay, let's give it a mix. Look at that chocolate chips melting away. Just continue to stir because we want to make sure that the chocolate chips will completely blend with the heavy cream. There you go. It's starting to change color. My arm is getting wore out. Our chocolate ganache should turn glossy
with silky and smooth consistency.
Look at that! And there you have it!
My white and bittersweet chocolate ganache. Perfect for toppings, glazes, fillings, drippings, and plenty more. Enjoy!
Ooh!